Every morning, Lily walked to school through the small forest. She loved the tall trees and the beautiful flowers. She loved to listen to the birds singing. One day, Lily heard a strange sound. It was not a happy song. It was a sad, small cry. Lily stopped walking and looked around. "Where is that sound coming from?" she asked herself. She looked behind a big rock. There, she saw a small blue bird. The bird was on the ground. It could not fly. Its wing was hurt. "Oh no, little bird, you are hurt," said Lily. The bird looked at Lily with scared eyes. Lily sat down slowly. She did not want to scare the bird more. "Don't be afraid," she said softly. "I want to help you." Lily took off her scarf. Very carefully, she picked up the bird. She wrapped it gently in her warm scarf. "I will take you home," she said. "My mother will know what to do." Lily carried the bird home. She walked slowly and carefully. She did not want to hurt the bird more. When Lily got home, her mother was in the garden. Her mother saw the bird and smiled. "What do we have here?" asked her mother. "I found this bird in the forest," said Lily. "Its wing is hurt. Can we help it, Mother?" Her mother looked at the bird's wing. "Yes, we can help it," she said. "But it will take time. Are you ready to take care of it?" Lily nodded. "Yes, Mother. I will take care of it every day." Every day, Lily gave the bird water and food. She talked to the bird and sang songs to it. She kept the bird warm and safe. At first, the bird was very quiet. It did not move much. But day by day, the bird got stronger. Soon, it started to sing again. One morning, the bird flew from one side of the box to the other. Its wing was better. "Mother, look," said Lily happily. "The bird can fly again." Her mother smiled. "You did a wonderful job, Lily. You were patient and kind. Now the bird is healthy again." But Lily felt something in her heart. She looked at the bird. She loved the bird very much. She did not want to say goodbye. "Mother," said Lily quietly, "I don't want the bird to go." Her mother sat down next to Lily. She held Lily's hand. "I understand," said her mother. "It is hard to say goodbye, but the bird belongs in the forest. It belongs with other birds. It belongs in the sky." Lily thought about this. She looked at the bird singing happily. "You're right, Mother," said Lily. "The bird wants to be free. I want the bird to be happy." The next morning, Lily and her mother walked to the forest. Lily held the box with the bird inside. Her heart was full of many feelings. They stopped at a beautiful spot with tall trees and flowers. Lily opened the box. The bird looked at her. It sang a beautiful song. "Goodbye, little friend," said Lily. "Be happy and free." The bird flew up into the sky. It flew around Lily 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Then it flew into the trees. It was saying, "Thank you." Lily smiled with tears in her eyes. She was sad, but she was also very happy. "The bird will always remember you," said her mother. "And you will always remember the bird. Love is like that. It stays in our hearts forever." From that day on, Lily understood something important. True love means wanting others to be happy. Sometimes we must let go of things we love. And every morning when Lily walked to school, she heard the birds singing, and she always smiled. She knew kindness never disappears. It lives on in the hearts of everyone we touch.